Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to perform drip campaigns in GoHighLevel using their email marketing strategy and email blast features. Drip campaigns are an excellent way to nurture leads and maintain consistent communication with your contacts through automated timed messages across multiple channels. First, open your web browser and head over to GoHighLevel.com. Sign in using your account credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main navigation panel on the left side of your screen. In that left navigation panel, click on Automation. This will direct you to the Workflows page, which is where all the magic happens for your drip campaigns. Look for the Create Workflow button and click it. An expanded menu will appear, and from there, select Start from Scratch. This gives you complete control over building your drip sequence exactly how you want it. Now you're in the workflow editor. Since we're creating a drip campaign, you can skip adding an event or new trigger for now. Instead, go directly to adding your first action by clicking the plus sign that appears above the workflow END marker. This is where you'll start building out your communication sequence. Under the Communications tab on your right side menu, use the search bar and type in Send Email. Click on it to add your first email action. You'll need to fill in the necessary fields like action name and subject line, and make sure to enter the body content of your email for your drip campaign. Once everything looks good, click Save Action at the bottom of your screen. For the second step, repeat the same procedure, but this time let's diversify your outreach by adding an SMS message. Search for the SMS action, then fill in the necessary fields, including the SMS message content and any templates you want to use. Don't forget to save the action when you're done. Continue repeating this process based on your preference, whether that's adding more emails, SMS messages, or other communication types. Make sure to toggle on the Publish action before clicking Save once you've completed building your entire sequence. Now let's implement this workflow with your contacts. Head back to your GoHighLevel dashboard and click on Contacts from the right side menu. On the Contacts page, highlight or select all the contacts you want to include in this drip campaign. Look at the top menu and find the option named Add to Automation, then click on it. A new window will appear where you'll fill out the necessary fields. Make sure to add the workflow we just created in the Workflow field. Once selected, click on Send in Drip Mode. This is crucial because it tells GoHighLevel to send your messages in a staggered, automated sequence rather than all at once. The menu will expand, asking you to configure your drip settings, fill in the start date and time, number of messages per batch, repeat number, and the interval between sends, whether that's days, hours, or minutes. You can optionally fill in a time window if you want messages sent only during specific hours. Once everything is configured, click Add to Automation. To monitor your workflow status, click on Bulk Action and you'll be able to track how your drip campaign is performing. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.